Hello everyone, my name is Antoine here at the Exploratorium, and today I have a very cool toy called the Otamatone. All you have to do is place your finger along this bar here to get it to play. This toy was created by Maywa Denki, who has actually performed the Otamatone here at the Exploratorium. So this Otamatone retails for $39.95, but we have a variety of Otamatones that range from $16 to $69. You can check us out on our online store, and if you are an Exploratorium member, you will receive a 10% discount. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day.